pat yourself on the back, give yourself a high five, get a little funky. We are taking the intensity up, and I want your energy to match the intensity. Even if you're doing the modification, you best be doing it like this, okay? Let's go. All right, let's step tap. It's a little faster. All right, let's add a little energy in there. All right, the first move is a hamstring curl knee lift. You've done this before, and it looks like this. Take it up. Remember, this is your last day. It's a party up in here. Stay right here. How you feeling, girls? Nice work. 4, 3, 2, 1. Rocking horse is the next move. We've done this one before. Take the modification or try and up the ante a little. See how it feels and then make your decision about where to go from there. You do you. Nice. 4, we're going to go back to that first move. Hamstring curl knee lift. 3, 2, 1. Hup. Hey. Are you ready? Rocking horse. Let's do it. All your energy, all your good vibes. 4, 3, 2, step tap. Nice job. I know you might be feeling like this is really fast, but I believe in you. You gotta believe in yourself. Do your best. Keep going. Take a breath. We're gonna do our new move. All right. Our next move, you've done it before too, okay? You're a pro at these. You can teach this. It's the pump and shuffle. Pump, shuffle. Now, what's really important is that booty. Yeah. Now I want you to get a little lower. Let's go. Hey, Michelle. Get it. Keep this going. Pump, shuffle, pump. Ow! 8, 6, 4, 3, 2. From the top, hamstring curl. Knees. Putting all 3 of those together. How you feeling? Heck yes. Get ready for that rocking horse. Here we go. New move. Pump and shuffle. 3, 2, 1. Hey. Ow. Yeah, Angie. Step tap. Woo! Nice work. 4th move. Can you believe that? All right, it's that RTL booty pop. You know it. You're going to go right, center, left, center. Tuck that tailbone under. Squeeze your core. Can you get a little lower than you did the first time? We were here in this move. Do you remember that? That's been so long ago. Tuck it, tuck it. We're going to speed this up. But we're doing it slow first. I want your legs to burn. All right, are you ready? We're going to speed it up. In 4, 3, 2, up. Really? Hit that hard, right? Hit it, hit it. All right, we're going to go from the top. All 4 moves. Hamstring curl. Let's go. Knee. Yes! Do you know what's next? Do you know? It's that rocking horse. Here we go. Yes! Keep going. Pump and shuffle is next. I want you to hit it. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Woo! Get down low. You got it. 4, 3. RCL booty pop fast. Hup. Hit that booty. Right, center, left. One more round, all 4. 3, 2, 1. Hamstring curl. Hup. Remember, modify if you still need it. There's no reason you can't modify this. You've got this. Rocking horse. All the energy, even if you're modifying. Boom. Pump and shuffle. Let's do it. Pop. Heck yes. Nice work, RCL booty pop. Last time. Get it, get it. My legs are on fire. 4, 3, 2.
It's not so long ago.
All right, good job.
That the sound
We have
hit the nation.
4 last
Every Saturday
moves
night
of the whole
on your
challenge.
favorite radio.
4 more. The first one is my favorite.
Yeah.
We're gonna run or walk
And the vibe feels so
at a
strong.
diagonal. And then you're gonna pop
Throw your
that
hands in the air. Lift
booty
your head up
on
high.
back, okay?
You know you've got to sing
Let's
along.
go, right here.
Oh, don't you know?
No, pump it up. You've got to pump it up.
Don't you know? Pump it up. You got to pump it up. Don't you know? Pump it up.
Let me see you pump it. Yeah.
You got to
If you're walking, you go here. You walk it like you talk it, like you own it, because you do. Eat, eat, eat. We're going to do that again. Your version of it. Can you really make it pop? Last one. Step tap. Whoo, yes.
It's not so long ago.
We're just step
That the
tapping.
sound hit the nation.
Next move of the sequence. Always keep that step tap going. Keep your body
On your
moving.
favorite radio.
It's a single, single, double. Hop side to side. I'm not gonna lie.
Gotta jump in,
This routine is
yeah.
intense,
And the
but I'm
vibe
not gonna
feels so
lie.
strong.
I know you can do it. Are you
Throw
ready,
your
girls?
hands in the air. Lift your head
Single,
up
single,
high.
double. 4,
You know you've got
3,
to sing along.
2. Right here.
Oh, don't you know? Pump it
2.
up. You got to pump it up. Don't you know?
Now,
Pump it up.
modify. Is Cassie back there? She's just marching. She's got those arms moving. Yes, make it big. Get those arms going, even if you're just marching. I want to see those arms because they're working. 8 more. Yes. Don't you know? Pump it up. Pump yourself up. 4, 3, 2. Now breathe. Step tap. Look at this sweat. There's so much sweat.
It's not so long
You got
ago.
it. All right.
That the sound hit
We're
the
going to put those
nation.
two together. The run, walk,
Every Saturday night.
side to side, single,
On
single,
your
double.
favorite radio.
4, 3, 2.
The party's jumping, yeah.
The party's jumping.
And the vibe feels so
The party's
strong.
right here.
Throw your
How about the
hands
party's
in the air.
pumping?
Lift your head up high.
Let me see
You
your
know you've got to sing
booties.
along.
Ah,
Oh, don't
Kaylee.
you know? Pump it up. You got to pump it up. Don't you know? Pump it up. You got to pump it up. Don't you know? Pump it up.
Get ready. Single, single, double. 3, 2, 1. Ba, 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 da, da. Ow! 4, 3. All right, watch me. Right, left, kick. This is your next move. Now, if you're gonna step, you can kick right here. You got to pump it up. Yes, good job. Keep this going.
It's not so long ago that the sound hit the nation.
You do you.
Every
Your
Saturday
level
night.
is not
on
the
your
same as
favorite radio.
anyone else's level on the whole planet. The whole
party's
planet.
jumping, yeah.
So you should never
And the
compare
vibe
yourself
feels so
to
strong.
anyone else. Nobody has the same body as
Throw your
you.
hands in
Nobody's
the
been
air.
through the
Lift
same
your
things
head
as
up
you.
high.
You've got
You know
this.
you've got to sing
Let's
along.
run.
Don't you know, pump it up. You got to pump it up. Don't you know, pump it up. You got to pump it up.
Don't you know, pump it up. All right, we're gonna do single, single, double. We have those TikToks. Are you ready? You got 4, 3, 2, let's go. Hey, hey. You got to pump it up. 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, step tap. Last move. Woo!
It's not so long ago
We're gonna do 2
that
pumps
the
right,
sound hit the nation.
2 pumps left.
Every Saturday night on your favorite radio. The party's
All right.
jumping, yeah.
Step
And the
tap.
vibe feels so
2
strong.
pumps right, 2 pumps left with that leg lift
Throw
option.
your hands
You
in
should
the
know
air,
this
lift your head
from
up
week
high.
1. 4,
You know you've got
3,
to sing
2,
along.
like these.
Don't you know,
Pump it up, lift.
you got to pump it up. Don't you know, pump it up.
It's a little faster than week 1 because you're stronger. How you doing, ladies? All right, hamstring curl. All the way from the top. Knee, let's go. This is it. This is your grand finale. Yes, you can. Rocking horse. Let's do it. Woo! Everything you got. Bring it. Pump and shuffle. 3, 2, Keep on going.
It's not so long ago that the sound hit the nation.
Nice. You got
Every
4,
Saturday night
3.
on your favorite radio.
RCL booty pop. Let's do it.
The party's jumping, yeah.
Party's jumping
And
right
the vibe
here.
feels so strong.
Yeah, get
Throw
low.
your
4,
hands in the air, lift your
3,
head up high.
2.
You know you've got to sing
New
along.
4 moves. Let's go.
Don't you know, pump it up. You got to pump it up.
Don't you know, pump it up.
You got to pump it up. Don't you know, pump it up. You got to pump it up.
Single, single, double. 3, 2, 1. Da, 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 da. Oh my goodness. We only have 2 moves left. TikTok. Let's go. Pump it up. You got to pump it up. Ha! 2 pumps right, 2 left. Up. Knee lift. Yeah. Get it, get it. From the top, hamstring curl. 1 more round. 1 more round. You can do this. You can do anything. Let's go, girls. Come on, come on, come on. Bring all your energy. Rocking horse. Nice. Keep
It's
it
not so
going.
long ago that the sound hit the
4,
nation.
3, pump and shuffle. Let's
Every
go.
Saturday night
This is your last round.
on your favorite
Take it
radio.
lower, lower. 4 more.
Party's jumping, yeah.
Yes.
And the vibe feels so strong.
2 more.
Throw your hands in the air, lift your
Last
head
one.
high.
RCL
You know
booty
you've
pop.
got to sing along.
3, 2, 1.
Don't you know, pump it up. You got to pump it up. Don't you know, pump it up.
Pump yourself up. Let's go. We have 4 moves left. We're going to start with that run. Let's go. Hey. Single, single, double. All right. We've got that single, single, double TikTok right here. You got to pump it up. Woo! You only have 2 more moves left. Technically 1. Pump it right, pump it left. Hey! 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 Come on! Hey! Let's go! 4, 3, step tap. You got to pump it up. You did it! Yes! Yes! Have a little dance party as the song finishes. will see you right back here tomorrow
It's
to
not so
help
long
you
ago
with where to go from here on
that the sound
your
hit the
fitness
nation.
journey. Mwah. Thank you so much for joining us.
On your favorite radio, the party's jumping, yeah, and the vibe feels so strong. Throw your hands in the air, lift your head up high. You know you've got to sing along. Oh, don't you know,